Right, welcome back. All right, so we kind of previewed this at the end of the review video that you just watched. Today's goal is kind of like you're used to, a merger of Monday and Tuesday. So Monday, you figured out how to convert from moles to particles. So again, Monday's thing is that every 1 mole equals, a mole is just a number. If you're counting how many things inside, so like how many units inside, it's always that many things inside of 1 mole. Things, atoms, molecules, particles. Okay. You've written that down before. You do not need to write that again. But it'll be handy to have this nearby because today part of what you have to grapple with is like what am I going to use as my conversion factor? And you're already sick of hearing me say it, but it's your units that tell you what your conversion factor is. I'm trying to make this more focused for you. Is this going to work? Nope, that kind of, yes, that did work. So it's your unit that tells you what number to use. So if your unit is things, atoms, molecules, or particles, and you're converting to moles, that is when you use that number. But like you learned on Tuesday, if you are converting from moles to grams, there's an entirely different number. There's this whole thing that you just watched in the review video. That is a molar mass. So where you're calculating the mass of a mole, here's your units. That molar mass is how many grams in every 1 mole. So this is your molar mass. And you're gonna notice that your molar mass can change. So the molar mass of, right, silver iodide is different than the molar mass of lead 4 phosphate, is different from the mass of any of these other things. Mass is determined by what the thing actually is. This is going to be in 2 recordings. I'll be back in a moment.